to Geetu's Healthy Cooking series. Since it's quite hot, it's the summertime, so I just thought it would be nice to have some lemonades. But the theme this time I decided would be just a few ingredients but big punch. So few ingredients, big punch. We're just going to use a little number of ingredients, but still they will be fully packed with nutrition and health. So let's do the first lemonade. Let's see the ingredients. We have 2 chopped red apples. We have honey. Now I have tried to use a raw, unfiltered, natural, organic honey because this is good for allergies and immunity, and it contains a lot of minerals. Then I have some spices with me, in which I have 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder. You may reduce it to half a teaspoon, depends on how you like the taste. I also have some half teaspoon of cinnamon powder with me. I have a small piece of fresh ginger, and I have the juice of 1 whole lemon. I also have some handful soaked green raisins. Try to get some good fresh organic green raisins which are not dusted with sulfur dioxide. So to get this ready, we just need to place all the ingredients in a blender. I have a NutriBullet with me, so I'm just going to introduce all the ingredients in the blender. The raisins have gone in, the lemon juice has gone in, we have the ginger. I'm going to pour in the cinnamon and the dry mango powder. Now honey, again you can adjust according to your taste, how sweet you prefer. So I've just used 1 full teaspoon of honey. You may add more or less. And to get this going into a liquidizing, we need some good filtered water. So I've just taken a glass of filtered water. I'm just going to add it to this. And we're just going to blend this. Now it's ready. It's been nicely liquidized. You can pour it out in glasses and enjoy. So this lovely delicious lemonade is ready, all for you to enjoy. Now I just want to say one thing, that the lemonades are generally made using lemons, but I have used apple along with it to improve the quality of nutrition. Apples, as we know, the red apples, they contain quercetin, which is an antioxidant. You must have heard about this antioxidant quercetin, which is very good and useful in people who have hay fever or other allergies. It can boost your immunity and it can really keep all the infections at bay. And plus the lemons, we know the yellow lemons, they are rich in vitamin C. Not just the apples, but the lemons are also rich in vitamin C, and they can really boost your immunity, and they are good for your heart health. So enjoy this super powered nutrient pack lemonade. So we are going to get going with the second lemonade that I have decided for today. And for this we are going to use kiwi. Now I'd like to just highlight how beneficial kiwis could be. Kiwis are the seeds, the black seeds that the kiwis contain. As you can see, the fruit, once it is cut, you see the black seeds. Now these black seeds are very rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and these fatty acids are very good for your heart health, for your brain health, and they are also good because they help with blood circulation and oxygenation of your body. And kiwi is another one fruit which is containing an amino acid called arginine, and it helps improve your fertility. So it prevents impotency. So all those people who want to make babies, please include kiwi in your diet. So let's try and see the ingredients, all the ingredients for this lemonade. So ingredients are 2 chopped kiwis. You just need to peel the kiwis, wash them and chop them. I have also used musk melon. A small piece, I've chopped it into small little pieces. I have the juice of half lemon here. I have half teaspoon of mixed spice powder, and I have used raw unfiltered organic honey. So you may use 1 teaspoon or more to decide on how sweet you want your lemonade to be. Now for this, again, we are just going to add all the ingredients to the blender with the filtered water, 1 glass of filtered water, and we're going to blend it into our lemonade. So let's add all the ingredients. So our lemonade is ready, and I would also like to point out another benefit of kiwi is that it is a prebiotic food. Now, a prebiotic is a food that is good for improving the healthy bacteria in your gut. The gut flora improves because these bacteria feed on such kinds of nutrients. So kiwi has this property, and muskmelon is also very rich in the vitamins A and C and potassium, which is an ingredient which is a mineral important for your blood pressure, for regulating your blood pressure. So it helps with your heart health as well. So this is a nutrient rich lemonade with kiwi, muskmelon and lemons for you to enjoy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back soon with another exciting healthy cooking series. Thank you.